All right, team action, how are you today? This is part 2 to a video I actually made about 2 years ago, and it's all about what you're doing wrong when promoting your YouTube video on Facebook. So I would highly advise you go and watch that first, click the link above, and then come back and watch this one. What, why are you still here? I said go and watch the other video. Okay, now you're back. Right, so you went to go and watch that video, making sense now. So this is the other big mistake you're making on Facebook, and it's all to do with Facebook Live.
Veena V.
Welcome, my beautiful action taker. If you want to join the community, the crew, the family, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. So one thing that you may not be doing yet, and it's a big mistake, is utilizing Facebook Live. Now you might be thinking, Veena, I watched part 1 of this video and you told me to use video more, and yes, that is still the case. You can still put a clip of your YouTube video onto Facebook and you're going to get a much higher reach and engagement rate. But another thing that you can start doing is really using Facebook Live in a more clever way. And this is what I tend to do a lot. So if I did a video called 10 YouTube tips for beginners, as soon as I upload that video to YouTube, I would go over to my Facebook business page and I might do a Facebook Live called the 2 biggest tips to get started with creating a YouTube channel. See what I did there? So it's 10 tips here, but I've now gone on to Facebook Live and I'm going to give away 2 tips. After I've given that value of those 2 big YouTube tips on Facebook, I'm then going to promote my video. I'm going to put the link to my YouTube video in the Facebook Live description. And then if people like those 2 tips, I'm going to say, do you know what? For 8 more tips, which you don't want to miss, click the link below and go and watch that over on my YouTube channel. Now, why is this a much better way than simply sticking your YouTube link on your Facebook page? Well, as I keep banging on about, you need to treat each social media platform individually. Think about it from a business point of view. Facebook don't like it if you're just dropping a link and sending people away from Facebook. They want you to stay on the Facebook platform. So play into their system, play into their algorithm, and why Facebook Live, especially now as I am publishing this video, it's still a priority for Facebook. They love it when people are going live on Facebook. So build up your confidence, and we can do another video on this. If you want me to do a video all about how to be confident with doing a Facebook Live, comment below and it's not a problem. I can make that video for you. I got you. I got you. On a serious note though, it's just so important to take advantage of this opportunity. If social media platforms are prioritizing video and live video, you need to jump on it now while it's still hot. It was hot last year, it was hot the year before, and it's still hot right now. Don't let this opportunity pass you by. When you create a YouTube video, go over to your Facebook page, or even your personal page, and make sure you're putting the link to your YouTube video in the Facebook Live description, and you're gonna see it. Do your own test, because I have. You are gonna see such a difference to when you simply put your link to a YouTube video. You are gonna get so much interaction and much more engagement by putting your YouTube link in your Facebook Live description instead. I promise you. And if I'm not right, come back to this video and comment below and let me know, but I am sure this will 100% work for you. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you want more social media tutorials and just someone to encourage you in life, then make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, and I will see you next week for much more fun and party. Don't forget, if you are a small business owner and you want to make more money in your business, maybe you're struggling to attract clients to you, then go and download. It's only $1.99. It's available around the world on Amazon. Go and cop that right now. It's my first ever ebook. It is really going to help you and give you that boost of motivation that you need. It's 35 highly effective ways to make more money and get more clients in your business. VeenaV.com/ebooks. And right now on the screen, there are some other Facebook tutorials for you to go and watch. I love you. You deserve so much success, but no one is gonna do the work for you. Be an ultimate action taker and change your life today, not tomorrow.
Don't know why. I believe we'll find a way from far behind.